Family, good evening, family. Family, as you can see, we are doing very well. We're actually doing very well in Uk49. So, guys, as I told you, did you see that my code 147 killed 4 numbers? It was code 147, which gave us 14, 17, 48, 8, 4. And then on top there was an 18 from that code that I gave in the morning. So this is a 5 number. I think you guys have seen it. And the numbers that did not drop on lunch, they dropped on tea time. So this is how we do a thing. This is the code and the best code. Everything I did it like as an example so that you guys don't get confused on what you're doing. So this is the draw for tomorrow. Both draws, lunch and tea time. I'm not going to repredict. So this is going to be for tomorrow, lunch and tea. Please guys, I'm saying this again, don't be confused about the blue codes. Just use my strategy for now, because I'm also upgrading the strategy as we grow, you see. So I'm always upgrading it, chasing what they do on UK, and then I find out some other sports, then I upgrade. As you can see now, it's upgraded. It's no longer the same like the one which you used to see. So before we go there, actually I like to go to the results and check, so we know exactly what we are doing, because you know we are not playing here, we are working. So this is what happened. My code was 147, which is 1 plus 47 is a 48. And then Christy, because she's smart, it's a 48. Can you see that? Which was a bonus in the 8 inside. And then there you check, there's a 14, there's a 17, which is what? 5 numbers on one row. And then when you check, the 18 came during the day, and I also mentioned it again. So now it means there are numbers that haven't dropped, that were supposed to drop today, like 29, 27, 26, 23, 32. So whatever was skipped today can also put an impact what tomorrow. So let us, you know what guys, this code is dangerous. This code bought even 13. I just saw it now. Okay, let's move on actually, because this will depress us. How could we miss that 5 number? 50k. Okay, cool. So these are the codes for tomorrow as I've broken them. So now when you check the codes and check this formula that I used here, you will see that there's an 11. You will see these are additional numbers. You see that there's a 9. You see that on top there, if you say 17 plus, let me say 17 plus 6, it gives us a 23. 23, which is a what? 32. So it's a proper 32 coming tomorrow. And then if you check that there's a 1, it's a 11, let me say it's a 110, which is 11, 10, and a 9, because when you separate you're going to get a 9. Then at the bottom there, which is what? Is 19 plus 8, which is going to give us a 27. So the 27 is going to drop when? Tomorrow. If you check here in this algorithm stuff, you'll find out that there's a 27 around. You see here, there's a 27. There's a 27 there. So we show that the 27 must drop. You see guys. And then if you check again near the bottom here, you'll find out that the 32 is supposed to drop, and it's gonna drop. And then the 29th and the 26th will also drop. If you check there, there's a 28, and numbers like 28 they normally drop out on the bonus balls. If you go up there, it's either it's 25 or it's a 7 that's supposed to drop tomorrow. And then here, if we go down, you're gonna see that there's a 22. If I say 22 minus 2 is a 20, and then now instead of playing the 20, they'll do what? They'll say 20, because it's an even number, divide by 2, it will give us a 10. Or they just somerset the number, is going to give us what? A 2. I hope I'm clear guys. Let me also explain this. There's an odd, there's an even number. So these are two different numbers. An odd, divide by 1, gives you a remainder, like a 31. An even number is a 20, which you divide by 2, I mean, it does not give you a remainder. So all the divisible number, for example like 24, because 24 has dropped, they are going to divide it by 2. It's going to give us a what? A 12, which is a 21. So if a number is an even, you divide by 2. If it's an odd, you multiply by 2. That's what they do in UK49. There's no other thing that they do. So for example now, look, if I say 22 plus 1, it gives me what? A 23, sorry. A 23 is an odd number. Is an odd number, yes. So either they say times 2, it gives us a what? A 46 or a 49. But if it has to come in form of 32, then they have to divide it by 2. It will give us a 16. Sorry, a 16. So you see how the matrix goes. So along your prediction, along your pairing, just monitor things like that. It's very, very, very important. For example, you see now, the reason why I'm saying the 28 is going to come. If I say 14 plus 14, or let me say just 14 times 2, it's going to give me 28. Because the 14 is appeared almost, it dropped today. So there's a high chance of the 28 to come tomorrow. They can just hit a consecutive number tomorrow, 26, 29, 28. I don't know who's coming. If it's Tony, just expect something like that. Okay, so I think, guys, and I guess this is it. This is my formula, and this is how I do it. So the best quote tomorrow is gonna be 22. Sorry, 22. 22 is the best code. I'm just gonna write it down here so you guys can get through. Okay, cool. So this is what it is. And then, guys, if you want to join the group or you want to purchase the books, here's the WhatsApp line. But you don't call, you just WhatsApp me there. Then definitely I'll answer you. I'll get back to you. So, guys, big up. I'm hoping for the best, because we've been trying the whole week, and then we see that at least there's some progress. So each and every time they update the algorithm, I follow up, then I catch it, I'll share with you guys. Thank you very much.